Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controllers not working on Epic Games. So the first step, you need to make sure that your controller is connected via Bluetooth or USB cable. And then in the next step, what you need to do here, you need to completely close Epic Games. So press X button here and then make sure that Epic Games is not running on your computer. So completely exit, right? And next step, what you need to do here is to open Steam. If you don't have Steam, just install it. And what is good, Steam has a controller support and it works with Steam. So first open Steam, then go on Steam icon here, press settings, and on settings, go to controller tab. And then your controller should appear here. You can begin test and look if your controller working. If it's working, you connect properly. If it's not, try to connect again. And then what you need to do here, depending on your controller, you need to tweak some settings. Currently I have PS4 controller, so I just need to toggle this button up. Then PlayStation controller support, make sure it's enabled. If you're using, for example, Switch controller or Xbox controller, make sure these buttons enabled here, depending on your controller, of course. And then, of course, make sure idle gamepad shutdown timeout, make sure it's on never here. And then you can close this window here. Then what you need to do next is to you need to look in what location your Epic Games is installed. So go on search, go to Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, open file location, and here on open file location, copy this basically URL, and then you need to go back on Steam. On Steam, you just need to press add game on the bottom left, then press add a non-Steam game. Then here you need to wait for a couple of seconds until it's loaded up. Then press browse, then paste the link that we just copied and look for Epic Games, right? Select Epic Games Launcher, open, and then make sure this is selected as well. Add selected programs, and Epic Games Launcher should appear in your library here. Then just click on Epic Games Launcher and hit play and open Epic Games Launcher through Steam. Super important, right? And then your controller should work when you try the game. So let's try Rocket League here. So guys, I'm in game, and as you can see here, controller is working. If you look on the top right, the buttons is from my PS4 controller. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.